So now we are installing VS Code on Windows. And as we said, we need three things: VS Code, extension, and Python language. First thing is to go to the website of Microsoft. The website detects my operating system. If your device is Mac, they will tell you what. Okay, you can go to downloads or whatever, but هون على طول in one step you can do it. Download for what? I clicked, download started. Do you notice this يا بنات? So now this file will go to the downloads folder, صح ولا لا, right? I can open it from here, or I can go to what? Download folder. I'll double click it. If you double click it now, the installation starts. I believe you all have installed some software before, صح ولا لا? طبعا here you're gonna say what? I accept. No other choices, right? Next. What's this question now? Where do you want to install the software? You select which folder. This is my personal computer. I want it to be installed, for example, users Ali app data local. For example, I don't want it here. I can change it. For whatever reason, I can change it. Here, for example, I will go here and make what? Let me go and install it somewhere and see. Nothing is ready there. I'll go and make a folder. معايا بنات. And by the way, this is a okay. I'll just select a folder here, I'll make a folder. Okay, I'll call it CMBS. Okay, lab. What's the folder name? CMBS lab. And now I'll go here and try to here browse. Do you see CMBS lab? Do you see it? Here. No, I need to go to C. Now VS Code will be installed where? This is very helpful with that if you have so many people using the same computer. Otherwise, you need to go to that folder. Does that make sense? This is optional, خلاص بس next. Do you want a shortcut or menu? Yes, of course. Next. Do you want a desktop icon? Yeah, you're gonna use it a lot. Next. وخلاص, install. So I believe I stopped you on the very important points. And there was nothing here. Just install it like any other software. Now we'll go to the next step. What's the next step, يا بنات? Okay, the extension from inside what? And this takes like a minute. 9 to? تمام. So let me see. Maybe because my computer had VS Code installed, it will go to some folders. Okay, launch it. If launch it is not there, you will find, I did not launch it. You will find it where now? VS. You will find it here in the menu. Good? A new color, ما شفتوش. Okay. Don't worry about this code, because my computer already had, في close عنا هون. يعني you expect this thing, your computer to be like this. Now, we are installing the extension, يا بنات. معي انتو؟ طيب, where is the extension? Do you see this? Here. Click on it. I will search for an extension called what? Python. And I know you see it. But if you don't see it, search for an extension called what? طبعا, in normal situations, it is not available, You notice that I uninstalled it, صح? In normal situation, this extension, يا بنات, supports Python debugging and Python. Okay, so it helps. So now what I need to do here? Install. Okay, so I am done with step what? 2. What's step 3? Okay, there is an official site for Python language called python.org. You can go there. You need to download Python. In this example, Python for what? Windows. حتى you can go from here, يعني, Maybe I remember I did a tutorial last week. You can go from here, you can go from anywhere. بس يعني you can go to Python website. Even here, I'm gonna write بس Python يا بنات. شوفوا, I'm gonna only do Python. It takes me على طول to which site? تمام. They know why I'm here. they know what I want. I want go to what? على طول they know even it's my computer is what? My computer is what? Windows. And they give you the last or the latest version. Good? تمام. Wait. I clicked on it. You know what's this, صح? Downloading to downloads. Open, it will run. But now, on Windows, two things I need to explain. You see here, add Python to what? Add Python to what? Bath. What's this? Add Python to Bath, يا بنات. New to you. If it's Windows, you must check it. Add Python to Bath. يعني if anyone wants to know where Python is installed, tell him. يعني the operating system will tell people or software where to find Python. If you don't check this, you need to manually configure the software. يعني if you don't check this, maybe you're gonna end up manually configuring VS Studio, Visual Code. So now, where do you want to install Python? Look this. If you select the default, do you see this, يا بنات? I don't want the default folder. Again, this is optional, I go customize installation. طيب, documentation مش عارف مين, next. أنا all of this, I just need to change what? The location. طيب. Where I want to install it, let me see here. See? طبعا I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna make it here in لا والله. No, actually it should not be in the same folder. It's two different things يعني it can be somehow. And here I'm gonna create a new folder. I call it by language. By lang. What's the folder name يا بنات? By lang. And here I'm gonna select what? by lang. So where Python is gonna be installed? Make a new folder. It's available here, but I did not notice. So now where Python is gonna be installed? Did I check the add Python to Bath? Okay. So here, next, install. بس خلصنا. خلاص. The three steps are what? No. It's normal to be. It's not normal to put different software in one folder. And these are two separate software. Python can be used maybe for other things than other VS Code. But at least you need to know where they are. You organize your code usually. Let us wait. If you put them in the same folder, they will work. But later, if you uninstall one, we see spaghetti. Okay? Does that make sense? So now, did we finish this now? We are waiting. Tamam. Now, when I go to VS Code, I installed Python in somewhere, صح? We'll know that. Why? Because what I did here, when I installed Python, I said what? Add to Bath. And in VS Code, I added what? Python what? Extension. So we'll see that VS Code will detect what is the version. بس خلاص. ايش بقول؟ تمام. خلاص. I'm going to go to VS Code, يا بنات. I'm going to close it, and come back to it again. When is VS Code? By the way, these are new things, But I'll just make to VS Code. Look at this now, يا بنات. Nothing. طيب. I want to write a new program in which language? In Python. I want you to pay attention. Do you see anything here, يا بنات? ما في شيء, صح? Please pay attention to this. A new file. خليكم معي. Python ايش? File. Brent. What? Brent. Hey, don't worry what I'm doing. Okay? I need to save it, for example. File. وين المنيو? Okay? Where is the menu here يا بنات? Here, hi, صح? File, save. Don't worry what I'm doing now, A. سميت الملف A. Okay. Now I want you to pay attention to this. Run. What does it say? No Python interpreter. طيب أنا I did this yesterday. تمام. بيقول لي what? Select what? Select Python interpreter. هون, which one was given to me? In which one? The one I installed. By the way, I installed it yesterday on my other laptop, and it did not ask me this question, but it was different Windows version. So now, wait. When I run this, actually, there is something I want you to see, but I cannot see because the screen, yeah, Banat, you know, when I use the projector, the screen cannot show everything, صح? So now, I will just remove this here. Okay. It should tell you here at the bottom here, it tells you directly that I'm using Python 3.13. Most of the time, it will detect Python automatically. If it did not detect it, what happened? They showed you to select one of them. Why they showed you the one we installed? Because when we installed it, we added it to who? To the path. Path means what? Windows will tell them where Python is. In Mac, you don't need this step. In Mac, you don't need this step. Now I can start writing software. Does that make sense, ya Banat?